Morning, everyone. Live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could potentially already be closed before you even see us opening the trade due to YouTube latency issues. I'm an active scalper, so often my trades are less than 15 seconds, not all the time, but often. And if you're having a 15-second latency, you won't even see me enter the trade, and I'll already be out of the trade. I also trade off stream, so you don't get to see the complete picture. If you try to copy my trades, you will lose money. 90% of traders lose money. Understand CFTC rule 4.41. Also understand we're not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. As I said, greater than 90% of traders lose money. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. And understand and read CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical and simulated results. Performance have certain limitations. Unlike actual performance records, simulated results do not represent actual trading, and since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors. Read the rest of the CFTC Rule 4.1, and let's get to the charts. You know what? We'll start with this chart over here, because I do want to look at the 15-minute chart. Give me just a second. Really? Both of them? How crazy is that? Anyways. Put that there. My charts are not where they're supposed to be, but now they are. Okay, let's start the 15-minute chart. Actually, I was on the stream last night, and I did a little bit of trading on a 25K eval, trying to pass it in one or two trades. I got halfway there, and then I stopped because the volatility died down. I was looking at this little consolidation box that started on Wednesday afternoon, or it was for the entire Wednesday afternoon, and we traded mostly inside that box while I was on stream. Asian session is the gray box. Pretty much traded higher for the entire Asian session, and pretty much traded higher for the entire London session until 7:45. Then the jobless claims came out. They came out at 211. I think expected was 255 or 225. Anyways, that shows less jobless claims, which means a stronger economy. Stronger economy implies that there's a lower probability for rate cuts the next time around. And the market reaction was oh, looks like a little indecisive candle here at 8:30. Kind of traded up for the first 15 minutes, but often the first reaction is wrong, and then we've been trading down ever since, and now we're on VWAP, my favorite location for price. But based on what I see so far, I would have to say that my bias would be to the upside. But we are close to the London session low, so when the market's open in 9 minutes, we may just take out those lows and head higher. That could be hypo number one. Of course, hypo number two could be taking out those lows and then going all the way down to yesterday's close at 235, continuing lower. So I think I'll stick with just those two hypos. We don't need three. Hypo, hypothesis, bias. So that's kind of what I'll be expecting or looking for as far as price action. I know it kind of sounds silly, going down and then heading higher, or going down and continuing to head lower. But we're not predictors, we're reactors. The markets decide what they want to do, and we just jump on board. Yeah, good morning, James. Just give me a minute, okay? Make it half screen? I don't know. See, setup shouldn't be done 9 minutes before. And then you're going to get frustrated and not want to do it tomorrow. I think.
That's all I need.
Open new tab and push it over.
It's top step X, right?
Mm-hmm. No, click this one. There's a difference. Oh, yeah. Okay. Because this will put you in right away. The other one you have to go in. Hello, James. I'm getting ready to, yeah, I can open Skype. Remember what you sent me that, I think it is open. There we go. Thank you, bud. That was your last Skype. Unless my Skype is working wrong, I'm just going to send you a stupid message that says FFFF. And see if you get it. But yeah, I can have Skype open now up on that monitor that I told you on my laptop. Remember I told you, send me that Skype thing. And I don't need to worry. Just make sure it's closed. 9:24, getting ready to open.
You're in sync though today, like very in sync.
Yeah.
You're like exact.
Happens sometimes, yeah. I don't know if you heard. Are you there? James G? Jimmy G? James G? The mic is working. Calling Jimmy. Okay, I gotta get to the 1 minute chart. Make sure I am on duplicate in new tab. And no instrument link. Well, I am going to do problems with audio. Let me see. Me or you? Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. No, my audio on YouTube is loud. You'll hear the echo. Take 7 seconds. No, my audio on YouTube is loud. You'll hear the echo. Take 7 seconds. Playback speed 1.5. Minimize. You're going to try your butt plugs? But wait a minute, if you're having a problem with the audio, how are you responding to what I'm telling you? He's going to try his plugs. 9:26. Does my time show up on my thing? Supposed to. trade on the floor. Where's the time? Oh, there it is. It's nice, 9:26. Okay. What do you? What? $2 to Wapner. Don't forget there's an Apex 90% off sale. And the employment data came out. Jobless claims 211 versus 255. Showing a slightly stronger economy. Less likelihood for rate cuts. Markets are trading off that. And that's about all I can say. I am going to be trading and try and get at least halfway to the halfway point on this eval today. So aggressively, it's one eval, a 50K, if I can push it for $16. Get myself close to the finish line, that's the plan. "30 seconds, sir." 20 seconds now.
I don't know why Barney's.
Ding, 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 ding. I do the bell myself. What? That was a long delay to get the buy bid in there. Okay, I'll hold one. Nah, take it. 12.10, not bad. That's not halfway there, but I'll still have the rest of the day. My headset is sharp. Okay, I can hear you clear. You can hear clearly now. Can you hear? I couldn't resist. Oh, gotta get ready for another trade. Go, short. Don't take away my profits, please. Come on, don't one bar me. Call in the bin. That's 500 back. It's okay, let it go. That trade gave me a headache. Wow, how fast $500 can disappear. Oh, and I'm not watching gold. Gold is getting ready for trade number one, and I didn't set up my strategies. Yeah, but more importantly, what? Head lower.
Hey, look at mine. Mine didn't even give a bar.
Serious 2-1s. Okay, well, if that's what it is. That's what it is. I took the chance. There go my eardrums.
Like you say, this is better, but every time I realize mine doesn't have a lot of false signals.
Really?
It's more you.
Mm.
Oh, no.
Well, you're on the second bar already. I'm just on the first here. Okay, let's get a 40-pointer here. I'm up 7. And I'll let the other one go. 14. We'll count them off. My stop is at break even. 21. 28. I'll take 28 points. I'm happy with 28 points. I made back some of what I gave up. Holy smoke. Bitcoin is to the moon. Oh, is it really? What's gold? Gold is 2663. I'll check Bitcoin soon, James. Can you fix the chart there? Or if you don't want it, then I'll put it on my screen. Choose.
Sorry, sir.
Oh, no problem. Bitcoin is to the moon. Let's take a look. I don't know. Where's my Bitcoin chart? Oh, man. Jimmy, you deleted my Bitcoin chart. James. Oh, okay. Sorry. Call it out when you go short. I'd be curious to see compared to mine. I'm looking for the next short. Oy. Counter-Strike is short right now. I can tell, even though I didn't enable the, but I'm not trading Counter-Strike. I didn't enable the algo. I'm shorting right at the bottom. I hate that. Those are not my favorite trades. But it worked out nicely. I'll cover back at the high 1100. Thank you very much. Got to get to 3000 from this 50K eval, Apex 90% off sale. I think the code to use, it's not my code, I don't have an affiliate link. The Apex code is save90 or save now. Both of them should work. Go load up with your Apex accounts. They're the best prop firm out there. Never heard anyone say anything negative about Apex, right? Take care of your order. Take care of your order. It's not an emergency. Take care of your order. Watch what you're doing. Oh, I just lost a viewer by saying that.
I took care of it.
Okay, just put the A.
Oh, no way. So it's only past now. I take care of it normally. Or...
You can even turn your monitor with the A a little bit, and I don't mind. And then you can see.
But Dad, stop touching!
But
Micromanaging!
No, it's for me and for you.
For you need to see. Go.
No, I can see. I just don't want you to. I don't want to bother you every 5 seconds. And back now. What's back now? Bitcoin. Okay, so Hypo 2 came into play, and that was where we swept the London session lows, and we also headed towards the previous day's close, which is the white dotted line. If we take out
Bitcoin's at 96. What do you mean it's in the clouds? It's flying.
If we take out previous day's low and the Asian session low, that would bearish actually, because we would be under everything. Under VWAP, under previous day's close, under previous
Look at
day's
his drop.
close. I know, it's nuts.
Holy.
I did a FOMO for a micro. Just one micro. I'm trading minis today on this account, but just to, what did you get order filled on?
Nothing on something bad. That's why I need to put in my orders. I don't like when it moves too quick.
Did you get a flash, you mean?
No, it was like PTSD spasm.
Oh, geez.
Moving quick, I thought it went, Joe.
Okay, I'm out of my micro for a $45 loss. What, 923 today? Is that what we put in yesterday? Yeah, 925. There you go. Maybe. Okay, so I'm closing Skype because I didn't get a reply to it and it's distracting me. I keep looking at it, it's taking my eyes away. Skype is officially closed. And let me go back to my NQ charts because the idea is to try. Shit. The idea is to try and pass. I'm in late. The idea is to try and pass the 50K eval today, or at least get halfway there. I hate this trade. I'm getting out 1120. Why am I eyeing? I missed the trade because I was closing Skype. I'm not opening Skype anymore. I'm not dealing with Skype. And then we're coming up to the previous day's low.
Where's Asia low?
Asia low is still quite far away. Asian low is 134. 50 points away. Good morning, wood chip. Yeah, I took a look at the 923. I took a look at it actually. The blue line's still there. From what I put in last night. But now I'm focused on the 1 minute chart. You still short?
Just one, yeah.
Good man. How many points so far? 40. Oh, you probably have 60 points on that one. We got a 60-point winner. Davey Miser, if you're in, if you see anything on the ICT, in the ICT world, let me know. And even just commentary, doesn't have to be a setup.
So I said, give me a minute.
Okay, that worked out good for me. I'll tell you why, because I was accidentally on the wrong chart. Ooh, I'm selling right on the low. Right on the low. Although we did pierce it.
Oh, we pierced Asia low.
We pierced it. No, yesterday's
I thought that was Asia
Wednesday.
low.
No.
Can we take a break? Can we just... God damn it, man.
God damn. I gotta get out of this trade because the system got out of this trade, but I'm hoping to get a much better price on my exit, please. Please be nice. Please be nice. It's still going to be painful, but let's go. There we go. Okay, well, that cost me almost 500, I think. And so far, we got two losses right on the previous day's low. Yeah, markets were open on Wednesday, Ali. And of course, the third one.
Wednesday?
Yeah, it was open on
Yesterday.
Wednesday. Yesterday. Who knew? Didn't even know.
Was it a short day?
No, it was a full day. When things slow down, I'll show you.
Was it what?
It was a full day till 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. James G. and Woodchip didn't let me know. Kept the tell to themselves. Open up the fair value gap scanner. And watching for gold. And now we can potentially bounce between previous day's close and previous day's low. Now we're in a bad spot. That was a 370. That was a 200-point dump on the open. Let's go back to MNQ. What do you got for that one? Short. One's short and one's not, eh? Did you take it?
I'm gonna take conflicting. Anyways, your numbers are on top step X, so.
This is a French vanilla. If you want a little.
Open sesame.
Open sesame. Yeah, I guess it could be better like this, eh? Because at least if it swings, it won't hit it. And let me know if you see, like, if you're seeing something on gold or whatever, because I'm distracted also with the broadcast. I'm looking around, making sure things are where they should be. Let me check. I'm only trading one account. My trade copier isn't doing stupid, shitty things. Blowing accounts for me. Let's open up two charts. You guys can see Counter-Strike, which I find weird. Oh, Counter-Strike, of course, because I reset it for last night. Let me set it for regular. Let me know, Al, if there's anything. If regular session hours. There we go. And now Counter-Strike will display. So what did we miss? We missed the winner. We missed the winner. Two winners since 9:30. Well, three winners since 9:30. A little bit before, four winners. Four winners, one loser on Counter-Strike. And now we're trading between yesterday's low and yesterday's close. The 5 o'clock close. What I'd like to see is exactly that. Price push above it. That way we can maybe try and reach for the VWAP, which is at 340. 90 points away, I can get an entry and catch a runner. Target filled. That was Counter-Strike. I don't know if you heard that. Counter-Strike just took another winner. But I just started putting it up on the chart, so you're not going to see all the values of all the winners that was taken already. I'm long at 42. Markets are long at 45. I'm going to take about, I hope that's about 10 points, probably 8 points on my one lot. That's good, so I can ride the other one comfortably. Let's see if I can get, let's go for a 40 pointer. 40 pointer, that'd be $800. Yes, the Renkos can take me out. There is a trailing stop on the Renkos. Currently, trailing stop is pretty much at break even. I'm gonna, oh, trailing stop got hit. Okay, well, I added a little bit. A little bit is better than nothing. Let's wait for the next entry. Right now I'm just treading water. I got as high as 1200. And I gave it back. And I got back up to 1200. Now I'm at 900. Waiting for my next entry to the upside.
It's not nice. It was supposed to. It flashed.
You got a full bar already. Closed the bar.
If I'm not doing mine, I'm doing.
Oh, I know. I'm just reading. Okay, hopefully this is the one. Let this be the 40 pointer. Let's count them off. 5 mile long at 51. I have 17 points already. 17. Going for 40. 40 pointer. No! Don't turn back on me. Okay, going back in the right direction. 15 points. I don't know, 300's tempted to take. You know what? I'm taking it because it's going to put me at a new day high. 1548, new day high. I could work with that. I only got to get to 3,000 to pass this account, and that's what I'm trying for. Maybe I'm going to chip away. Of course, now it's taken off. There's 30 points almost since when I got out. $600.
Me, I got in here and I got out here. I don't know how here didn't form a bar.
Now we're getting close to VWAP. VWAP is my kryptonite. I'm not trading near VWAP. Gold. Gold
sleeping.
Went through initial balance like 4 times, but every time closed below. That is a good signal to go short. James, what do you think about that one? What do you think about those wicks there, James, at the top of gold on the 5-minute chart? And I'm not taking this one, not right at VWAP. Let it go down 3 bars, then I'll take it, or 4 bars. Much better.
30 points away from VWAP, good enough.
Yeah, but we got to give up 14 just to get a new bar. I don't mind if I can get 10 points out of the trade, but VWAP already rejected it one time by 30 points. I'm long at 09. I should be long at 08. I have 1 point worse. What do I try for? 10 points, $200. Am I even on the right chart? I am. NQ. my line? 09. Jeez, it was as high as 15. Okay, wait. Yeah, 15. I could have taken 5 points out of it. I have 7 points. It's okay. It's just a trade.
Oh, I got out, bro.
A trade is just a trade. Okay, you got out. Solidarity with my son. I'm getting out too. 1703. It's quiet day in chat. Target filled. That was Counter-Strike. Counter-Strike target filled, but Counter-Strike so far since I enabled it is down 10 points. Minus 9.
Bro, you don't want to see? You know what I just did by accident?
Mm.
I did this. I went to get out of my 3, but it was on a line. It wasn't on blue.
Fuck off.
I just did this and clicked short and got like $150 for
Oh, cool. At least you didn't lose on it.
My God, GV.
Davey Mister, if we close 933 FVG, 932 high incoming. On the 1 minute, Dave? Obviously, since you're talking 933, 932. Let me check those out. Why isn't my fair value gap scanner working? There it is. This one here, if we close this fair value gap. 932 high. Yeah, I could see that. That's like a doji trade, actually. Yeah. It's like I remember I was following this guy named Doji on YouTube. I was watching him. He was going for trades like that. If we can get a close, which we did, 48 to 74. That's almost 30 points. I'll take one on MNQ.
Where's your stop?
Yeah, where's my stop? I don't know. Here?
I'd put it at the bottom of the red candle. That's David.
Bottom of the red candle.
David, where's your stop? If you were to take it, where's the stop?
Well, it shouldn't get below a close below. For me, it'd be a close below. But I only took one. There we go. Take it out. Sell ask. Look, I click sell ask. See how long it took? Hands off. See the delay? Good call there, Dave.
What do you mean good call? You didn't even hold it to his take profit.
Yeah, he did. 932 high. That's 932 high.
Oh, I thought new high.
It is a new high. It's a new high of the U.S. session. We're breaking the U.S. session.
I have a little tiny pimple on the side of my ear. It's so sensible.
Oh, yeah.
What's sensible in English?
Sensitive, and under the arms is even worse.
Sensitive.
Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, that was a good one. Good call.
Another huge run, huh?
Yep. Shit, look at that. 2 40-point winners, and I didn't capitalize on any of them.
Neither.
That's sad.
I went to get out of one, and I was on 31. That's insane.
Alex took a 31 contract trade. Just letting you know. Shit, look, I hate this. See, now my FOMO is coming in and I want to jump in. But I'm not. Hands off.
By accident.
Look, my hand got back. My hands are in the air. There we go.
Wow, look at this trade, man.
Yeah, I know. I'm not going to chase. Learn my lesson. I even did it a few times to show how wherever and whenever I chase, that's the top or the bottom all the time. Alex, I'm going to give you a banger this morning, DW. I don't know what that means. You? Oh shit. Oh shit, there's an entry. NQ. Cool. I missed a loser. Yeah. Davey. Alex, I'm going to give you a banger this morning, DW. Who's DW? I don't know. I don't know what DW means. You see, now we're going to get entries at the high of the U.S. session, which sucks. I like trades in the middle of nowhere, although we're above VWAP, and now we can run for London session highs, which is the blue box, or the previous day's high. Means don't worry, old man. man. Old men don't. Wait. Go, push through. Give me 200. Another 200. Okay. Well, it's not just the DW. I didn't know. I don't really know what a banger means either. I'm going to give you a banger. Maybe a good trade. Oh, I can re-enter. I love these entries. I'm going to re-enter because the risk is so small. Do I get filled? I got filled.
Bro, I'm getting out early and getting in. Bro.
I have to get out. Okay, risk was small. Means don't worry.
I forgot I'm so concentrated. I didn't even know what DW meant.
So serious, if this is distracting you.
What?
The two similar. And just close one.
No, it's not distracting me. When it does like big moves like this and and it comes like here, I enter because I see the yellow like here, you know.
Then just let it go, man. Because what happens after then, if you're going to do that, then your stop is 21 points, not 14.
That's my problem.
Okay, I really don't see anything on the 5-minute charts. You guys don't see the 5-minute charts, but I have them up. We're coming up to 10 o'clock. I didn't check if there's 10 o'clock news. As per usual, I never check. If anyone knows if there's news at 10 o'clock, that was just the alert to let me know 10 o'clock is coming up. And there could potentially be news. I guess a responsible trader would know if there is news. And since I don't know, I won't take a trade until 10 o'clock comes. It's just 40 seconds away. I don't want to get spucked. That's spiked and effed at the same time. I got the whole day ahead of me. I don't have to.
It's cold a bit, no?
It is. Go put the heat on high. I don't know where my sweater is, my trusty sweater. 10 seconds to Wapner. To 10 o'clock. 5. 10 o'clock. Nice, Alex went long. I didn't because it was right on 10 o'clock. They're all out. They're all out.
Hey.
Just bail. Your gray button. Use your gray button.
Here, yeah, I see it. It's tiny in the corner.
Get used to it. How much you up?
Don't worry about it, son.
Oh, baby. I like to hear that. I want this trade to work. I want this trade to work. I want this trade to work. I'm going to have my finger on the close button. I'm not even going to use a limit order to exit if I have to get stopped out. Because I want this trade to work. I want to get over 2,000 on this account. Come on, be nice. Don't make me work all day for this. Just let me get there. 1929. Let me get there without some stress. Give it to me the easy way. Which the markets kind of did, because it gave 2 40-pointers, and I didn't ride either of them.
Fudge off, man, with my wrong orders.
I'm telling you, just go to Ninja, man. Go to Ninja.
I am Ninja.
No, that's Trade of 8.
Oh, go to Ninja.
Trade of 8 sucks. I can't even get a wrap around it. It's weird. It's weird delays and weird lines, and everything is off. It's like built to fuck you up.
What, Trade of 8?
Yeah. At least for me, it's so
not
hard.
Trade of 8, it's me.
No. I find it's Trade of 8.
taking an inch early.
Quite a few people I know with Trade of 8 have troubles with it. Guys, I'm focused on the charts right now because I want to get into a long if it triggers. Not ignoring you. But we're so close. And I'm in at a worse price, which sucks. That always throws me off. Come on, go for a run now. Push. Boom, 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 boom. 20 points. No, it's giving me stress.
Damn. Damn, Sonny.
I know. I know.
What?
I know. Okay, give me a 40-point runner now. 40-point runner. Put the buyers in control. Nope. This is going to be the trade that kills my account. That was close. That was at 2,000. Come on. I don't want to battle back for $17. Let's go. What is that? You're going to give 3 losers in a row? Serious? Okay, well, I avoided damage, 1914. Still working target filled. I just heard that you didn't. That's Counter-Strike. Counter-Strike on the top left just took another winning trade, but Counter-Strike is down 15 points for the day so far. Counter-Strike usually is able to make about 25 to 50 points in a day, so maybe now would be a good time to start. Oh, that was a nice Counter-Strike entry right there. The manual ones that I take. 2-bar retrace. And then one on the first continuation bar, you enter again. Those are my trades that I take manually based on Counter-Strike. Alex has a nice long trade, it looks like.
It's okay, yeah.
No, you're still in, though. Blue line there?
One, yeah.
Yeah, you're still long. At 714.21, almost 30 points lower. Alex could catch a 40-point winner if it runs. Again, we poked through the U.S. session highs. Markets always like to do that, a little poke. We got a poke over here. That was the U.S. session high. We poked higher. Now we're poking higher. And we're going to poke higher again later. And then it always gets rejected. Not always, but often. Hopefully it goes for a nice run over here for Alex. 1730's got almost 40 points. Click the gray button. Over that one.
Good, not bad.
Yeah, it's a nice one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That was a 40-pointer. And me, I'm trading.
Supposed to be long again. I didn't get in.
Yeah, I got it. I'm trading long. I'm trading conservative and scared. I'm only taking 1 lot, so I should be taking bigger size. I could have been at my 3,000 already.
Oh, I still had it.
It's okay. The what? The day, the morning is still young. If I can get to 2,500, you know what? Even 2,400, 816, 2432, that's almost 75, 80% of the way there. I'm good with that. Then I'll just nickel and dime my way up and pass this account by, let's say, next week sometime. Just want to, at $16 an account, I just want to get the majority over with in one shot. If I fail, I fail. I'll just get another one later this evening. But it gives me a $16 opportunity. I already got a 25K account I traded yesterday. I got it to about 70% to the goal line. So that one also I'll trade next week. I'll get those two to pass. I'll have 2 more PA accounts. I'll be up to, I think, 7. That's respectable. If I can make a $50 to $100 a day on those, just taking A+ setups. Gold is still spiking through the initial balance high and coming back down. And Woodchip and Jimmy G are quiet. For a moment, I thought my mic was off. If I had more people in the room, I would put up a poll. Will Mike reach 3,000 in his 50K eval today? But I'm not going to put up a poll. We're only... Oh, come on. We're only a couple of people are going to answer. That's not really a poll. Let's go. Give me a push. Come on. I'll trade this one properly, of course. Keep my finger on the exit button. Just in case. My dog's having a heart attack. Anyone want to adopt a Chihuahua Pomeranian? I don't want to hold 2 lots on this. Now he's howling. She's howling. Come on, give me 10 points. 10 points. Where am I? I'm long at 14. Go to 24. Wrong way. Wrong way. Oh, that was so close to getting out. Out. 1989. And now, 2 seconds later, it's going to go and trigger me back in. No, it didn't. Good. Although, technically, theoretically, I do have to take all of them. Woodchip only took 1 trade after open, missed a good entry on the move, on the up move, because I was bearish. Yeah, well, I jumped in on the long, but certainly didn't capitalize on the move. Took profits way too early. Wow, it's just every time I hesitate to enter, it's crazy. It busts up by 10 points. If I can get $100 on this trade, I'm happy because I should have been in at. Let me tell you. Hold on. 34. I should have been in at 20. I think I got filled at 28. Are you long all the way down there?
You're not down. Was that bar away?
It's 14 points. Bars are
7 points. Okay.
Well, now 7, and now 14. 10. If you want to be specific. Up 105 on the PA and 200 on the eval. Good job. I don't know if you were on when I was talking about it Last night I was trading the 25K eval, the one I got up to 900, so that's 369. That's I get. Oh, geez, wow! It's only 60% of the journey. But anyways, now I switched to a 50K eval. Here's my this one here in the 5-minute charts. I still have my 937 for my 25K eval up there from last night. And now I'm working on the 50K eval over here. We got to reach 3,000. I'm trading mostly minis. I'm at 2,124. So I don't know, if I can get it to 2,500, I think I'll stop. And then I'll just try and turn my way up next week to the 3,000 slowly, not put it at risk, so I can get another PA. Might get an entry here on the come on, go push up. One time for me, push up one. Not nice. Take a piece off. Let's see if I can get 10 points on this. That's about 7. I gave it back up. What's 10 points? 26. That's almost 10 points. 23.54. I'm still waiting on the gold trade. Oh, looky. Counter strike is long. And counter strike took profit. But it's still down. Now it's down about 20 points. So it's having losers. Thing is, I only hear when it has a winner because it says target filled, but it doesn't tell me when. I don't have an audio alert for the losers, so that's why I never know when it's losing. Yeah, well, the next run is going to be a push through again the U.S. session highs if we go up. So a shitty place to be. That's a damn long message. Took no trades after the open. I do not like the setups as they are now. Russell might be one, but if I look at the correlation on the other indexes, I should sit on my butt. Yes, we're in a tight spot here also for me for my entries, but I just got an entry on Counter-Strike that I like. And I'm going to fight for price and try to get a good price on this. So my risk is less if I lose. And it just went in the wrong direction. I don't like, call this. I don't like when it goes on the wrong direction on me right away. Okay, 230. Oh, my short one. Oh, ça va mal à la shop. It put me short. I didn't get a chance to cancel my other sell order. Anyways, get out. Wow, 21.59 still. Okay. That was not nice of Counter-Strike. Shafted me. We're banging our heads up against the ceiling here. You know what would be nice? Nice volatile, quick move down to VWAP. And then we can have some range to play with from VWAP to the US session highs. I would take the Russell here long. I'm not going to put up the Russell now. I don't have it, and I want to try and take my entries. Every time I put up charts, I get there's always a good entry I get screwed out of. So if So it might bite me. It might. Every trade might bite us. Boom. I forgot. Davey wrote boom, boom, boom. The Oliver Velez. Where is it? There we go. Boom, boom, boom. 954. Mr. OV says boom. I lost you? Yeah, I have my Renko's turned bearish. My 1 minute is not. Actually, let me consult this one. This one is, I think, a little more. Are they the same? Yeah, they're about the same. 1 minute isn't certainly not the 5 minute. So I don't have confluence at this moment. That's a fancy word for saying my charts aren't all saying the same thing. Let me again look at the 15-minute chart and see what. Yeah, we didn't break the Asian session low, so based on that, overall bias for me currently is still bullish. Does not mean we don't have wild swings up and down. Okay, let's watch the MNQ on the. Well, here we're at VWAP now. Let's see what price does on VWAP. What kind of reaction we get. Does it just plow through it, or do we get rejected? I'm not going to take any trades here on VWAP. I'm too close to target 21.59. I mean, it's not crazy close, but still. I want to wait for a good setup and just get myself to target. And trading around VWAP has never been good for me. Target filled. On Counter-Strike. I just got a message, so now it is down 10 points for the day so far. If it just goes on a run of 3 or 4 winners in a row, which it can do quite often, it'll have its day made. In the meantime, it's hanging around break even to slightly down. Bagel time. Alex caught a short, and I got caught sleeping. Yeah, I think I'm going to go refresh my coffee soon. Counter-Strike is a good manual trade short. My favorite. That's the third one. As a reminder, over and over again, background is red. Yes, I call that red. I don't want to put red because red's too dark. Then you have a 2-bar or more retrace. We had 3 bars here. And then you get a continuation bar. Go for 12 points. So that's a winner. Over here, that was a winner. And this one would have been a loser. Stopped out. Counter-Strike, the way I coded it, just took another winner. And now it's down 2 points. Plus commissions. Trying along. Wow, really? Based on what? Just the size of the pullback here on the fibs. More than 50%, I would say. Alex caught a nice short. He's pumping his fist. I'm sleeping again. Yeah, we're about at the 60% on the fibs. I mean, I'm just yapping away and missing all the trades. I'll call this. Again, call this. See, I can swear in French. Taking a long, no entry. Oh, an impulsive trade? What chip? Oh, maybe you had no entry for the long. Okay, you got no entry. I thought no setup. That you were just taking along with no setup. Taking an impulsive trade. I may have a short
today for my tops.
For what?
I'm a FFU. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait for gold.
How much?
I don't know. Good.
Okay, good's good. Good is always good.
I don't even know how much. So check.
I don't like it. Feels weird. 260 was going to be my long.
$700, but after commissions, only like 500, I think. Yeah, 513.
Well, I went short, and it got stopped out. I went short on the micros. And since it stopped out, I guess I should get out, eh? Just take my loss completely. 5-minute fair value gap. I got the 5-minute chart up here. I guess you're talking about here this the initial fair value gap, the entry. 50% of the gap. Is that it? Actually, I could have put the 5-minute up over here. It even has the fair value gaps marked. Yeah, 260, 50%. So if you've Woodchip, if you have consecutive fair value gaps, you're always looking to enter at the one that's farthest away. Like you want to see it retrace all the way through to the bottom, to the lower one over here. You won't consider entering up here on this fair value gap at 50%, which would have been around 338, quite a bit higher.
Can I show you something?
Sure. Oh, you mean like that? Just fun? No, I got an entry coming up maybe.
Oh. Well, let me know when you have 13 seconds.
Okay, go. We're over.
You know the game that...
No. Wow, this is going down and that's going up. So where am I supposed to be short at? 01, and I'm short at 97.
So get out. It was too fast.
Yeah, no, you never know what can happen.
I saw I printed a bar and a half in an instant.
It's okay. Low risk trades. See, now I can potentially lower my risk on the trade and really improve my price. That's what I was doing. You know what? Fuck you. Okay.
Look at the play they did. I don't know if you were watching, but look at this.
Oh, Detroit and San Francisco.
Oh my God.
Go show me again. I didn't see it at all.
I fooled. Pass to the black guy. Look up.
Yeah. I didn't see it. I didn't see that play. That's not in the. That's before the third quarter.
Eh? Second quarter.
Yeah, it's before the third quarter. Do you remember the play when it looked like San Francisco was going to catch up, and then there was the turnover?
Yeah.
The interception.
There's two interceptions.
I said, you were probably screaming. Target filled. What happened? Counter strike.
Look how fast it prints, bro. That's what I'm telling you. Like, if I don't put an order, you missed it. It was 2.5 bars and like this. You missed it.
Yeah, but volatility's high, Al.
And then at the end of the day, you go count, and you count it as a 5-6 point winner.
No, take a look.
Impossible. You would have touched it if you didn't have an order in.
Okay. Normal volatility. Normal. 80% of the time will be at this hour 10 points.
So we had 17.
32. You're a triple or
And gold's
triple.
Like dead.
Triple normal volatility. So you can't judge by this.
No, gold's dead.
10:30. Initial balance will be formed, and I have a long one here from Woodchip. I don't even know where my chat box went. There it is. The best price entry would be the furthest one away, but it doesn't always go there. Sometimes just retests the one above and goes, yeah, well, if your setup is the furthest one away, those are your setups, and the rest are not your setups. I mean, it just goes that way. I'm short 76 years away. 76 years entry. Short. I could see a short. I could see a short because my 1 minute is short. My 5 minute is short. And my Renkos are short. Which means I should go short. This could be the one, boys. This could be the one. Come on, take me out, take me out. 29.21. Woo! Oh, I should have held for a little bit more. I just didn't know where it was. Okay. I am going to micros because I am too damn close. And I'm not screwing things up. Well, I had a little room before we got to the, well, I don't know what the daily open is because, you're right, the daily open. Yeah, it's not the previous day's close. The daily open was up there. I think we gapped up. I don't track those things. So why did I take a short? Because my Renkos went short. And that gave me a 70, at least a 70% probability for a 10-pointer. I think. 312, hold on. Let me run the math. 360 on 360. Let me get out a calculator. I'll tell you what the probability of 10 points was. 1,300.
See, that's what's scary. Like
divided by 360. Give me a minute. Nope. 360 divided by 1,300. 27. I had a 73% chance of hitting a 10-pointer on that. That's why I took it short. What, Al?
Like, I was done with my day because my numbers are so good, but what am I supposed to do? Go to the end of the day?
Yeah, I know. What if it's going to have one of those banger days of 400 points? Look, another 42-pointer over here.
I know. You point like I'm blind. Like, what do you mean over here?
No, I don't know. Maybe you don't know.
Maybe I'm what?
Maybe.
Maybe I'm autistic.
Why thank goodness long. Long! What chip is long? I can't go long. I can't go long. I don't have anything saying long for me yet. Soon. I got to get over 295. But you know what? What I've noticed, every time wood chip goes long, just before I can go long, he's almost always right. And then I get in after him at a shittier price, and he's taking profit. Problem is, I'm going to get a short. I'll take a 3 lot because it went short. I'm supposed to be short at 59. I'm short at 62. Better price. I love when I get a better price. I'll egg out of it slowly. Let's get 10 points on this. I just took a piece off. Garbage, nothing. That was an impulsive exit.
Your first gold is going to trigger in a minute.
Yeah, where's the clock? Yeah. How far away are we from IB?
Why is it not letting me scroll up, man? I hate that.
No, that's all. You can't move it. That's
I
all
know,
you can do.
I
You can
know.
squish it. Come on, get a dump. 20-point dump, and it'll put me over 3,000. No, it went the wrong way. I got to get out. 70. Come on, close. 28.45. Well, that sucked. Fading wood chip. Well, my system told me to. Gotta do what I gotta do. Wood chip wins again.
Well, if he's still long, your system might tell you to go long in
Yeah, no, that's true. Yeah,
soon.
I could have a long. I may be joining you. And soon no. Soon no.
No more longs
that's
for you.
it. No more longs.
When your first gold traded.
Oh, yeah.
You can still go get it. Not all
Yeah. I'm
going
gonna go take it on a PA. Okay, I took it on a PA, but just for a 2 lot. I'm out. Little profit. Little profit's good profit. Have you seen the cancel all orders video? By who? I can't recall seeing a cancel all orders video now. What's the entry here? 7.8. You will die laughing. It's on YouTube. Okay, well, send me the link if you got it. I don't even actually. I don't know if you can put links in the chat. I might have disabled that, but I'll do a search for it. I got my take profit in on my gold trade. Only did a shitty 2 lot. The better trade still hasn't triggered. Oh, can go long again.
Gotta pee.
Target filled.
Bathroom.
Something target filled. There's only one thing that could have target filled, and that is Counter-Strike. Oh shit, Counter-Strike's gonna go short. Oh, don't do it again to me, Counter-Strike. Come on, these are the good trades. 2-bar retrace. First 2-bar retrace after a red background prints. Take a piece off. Actually, did I get my 12 points? 58, 46. I did get my 12 points. I should have been out. Am I going to get punished for not doing the right thing? No, it's going to go against me. Let's go. Back down. Back down. That's another entry, actually. Okay. Pulled that a little bit. Let's see if this is the video you're talking about. 217.
All the short sells. Apple's down to $230. Look at that. Look at it. Take them all out for the big bounce off the bottom. I told everybody that you couldn't stay overbought. This is what happens.
Is this the video?
When you get overbought. We told everyone in the Dow was coming. We told you that we didn't want to see you get hooked.
No,
You may be
I disabled
hooked.
the, but I think I found it.
Here you go. I'm told it's 835. The Dow ticker. Wow, almost 1,000 points.
Okay, I'll check it later. I don't want to get a copyright strike on the channel by playing audio or video that's not mine. He's still yelling in my ear, though.
Somebody sent you a thing.
Yeah, I'd like to put this on the channel. This is fun. Who is this? Super HQ. It's a long time ago, 9 years ago, this guy. Hold on, I'm going to play it on my speakers for Alex. Give me a second. Are you busy?
No.
I'm not going to play the video. I can play the video over here.
This is what happens when you get overbought. We told everyone in the Dow was coming. We told you that we didn't want to see you get hooked. And you may
on.
Computer, cancel all orders.
There you go. You got
Cancel all orders.
headphones back on. Thank you for that diversion. Trades by Matt.
Cold.
Oopalai. Okay, well, we're below previous day's close. 5 o'clock close. And we could potentially have a short setup. And my gold trade, I completely forgot about it. With the guy screaming, cancel all orders. I don't even have the chart up. How close did we get? 65.4, 67.3, 1.9. I usually go for 2 points. I'm going for more here.
Could it hold a minute 20 for me?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I'm closing this monitor. It's confusing me. It's confusing me. I keep looking at it. Did it? It still looks good, no? Yeah, but still, it's not really that good. You're still kind of far away. Your entry would be higher than the initial entry. You want 2 3 bars down.
Yeah, would be better.
Entry 45, stop 80. That makes you short. 29.23. Okay, cool. This could be your 45-minute hold. Yeah, you know what? For you, I will take 1. Micro, please. Yes, I'm not on the wrong chart. Stop 80. Really? $100? Okay, we'll do it. Buy stop. I don't even know what account I'm on. Apex, it says. It's probably the 50K eval. Let me check. Yes, it's the 50K eval. I might add to the short to improve my price, depending on if I get a signal in the on the Renko charts, which is coming very close, but not yet. And come on. Okay, so that gave me the entry on the Renko. Now I can improve my price a little bit. Nah, only by 3 points. Renko stopped out, so that's kind of good. I don't know if I could say that's kind of good, but ES 5-minute ES is very wicky around the. It's really bouncing off previous day's close. We bounced off it here at 9:43. We bounced off it here at 10:30. We bounced off it again at 10:43. What's NQ doing? What was that? ES 5-minute chart? 30-second. 5-minute chart. It says 30-second. That's the 5-minute chart on ES. So we bounced off it twice. Coming back towards it. NQ. NQ, we went through it the first day. Isn't that an SMC or an SMT, whatever? Would you call that a... Is it SMT or SMC, first off?
SMT.
SMT. So here, this is ES, right?
Which is an SMC.
Okay, ES. See how it almost went?
Yeah.
But look at NQ. It didn't. This one blew through the previous day's close. And this one is not as...
Compare lows.
That's it. Just compare the lows.
Yeah, there's no SMT there. That didn't take it out. The other one didn't take it out.
I don't even have the previous day's low on this.
No, didn't take it out. You compare that swing low to the other swing low.
So they both didn't take it out.
Yeah, they did. Both didn't take it out.
Okay.
You're saying it like sarcastically. Well, didn't hang out. You
No, I didn't know. I thought it was, based on other things too, like, how close it got.
Well, who
Because
cares how close
this one
it
got
got?
so much closer.
Did it take it out?
Well, it's still a divergence.
No, it's not. How's it a divergence?
Well, one got closer to the other. Yeah.
That's not a divergence. What's the theory of a divergence?
Well, draw the angle. For me, the theory of divergence is one has more relative strength than the other.
One does not take out a low.
I thought it was just based on relative strength. Gold. Did you have an ordering on gold? What's the price?
67.3.
67.3, which means the take profit is at 69.3. So I'm going to move my take profit higher. Keep it all the way up there. Yes, there is a stop on gold. It's just I do it manually. I'm having second thoughts. This looks bad. Really? But I got in. Hey, wait a minute. Now I'm not in. Oh, no, I'm on the ES chart. Okay, doesn't matter. I'll use my stop on the Renko charts. Another 5 points and I'll get out. Actually, since I'm so close. Oh. Really close. That's it. Out. Out! 28.33. It's okay, they can't all be winners. Let me know if gold triggers. Gold. Let's put up the gold chart. We'll watch gold also. NQ and gold. So we got gold, top left. NQ, top right. NQ, trying to reach 3,000 today. So I can pass an eval in one day. I'm at 28.33. Gold. I'm long at 26.65.
No trigger.
I'm long at 26.65, and I'm going for 4 points at 20. What am I talking? Yeah, 26.69.2. It's almost 4 points. It is what it is. We all let it go. We'll just let it go. And having this monitor closed is also making me nauseous. I'm having second thoughts. That's what I said on the altar.
I don't know.
What?
I know what that means.
What I just said?
Yeah.
Woodchip wrote, I'm having second thoughts about a trade.
That's what you said on the altar. What's altar?
Altar, when you're getting married. Do you take this woman to be your lawfully wedded wife? Yes, I do. But I'm having second thoughts. Sounds funnier. Well, boys and girls. Long. Yeah, I can go long now. 30-second. Long. 1 minute. Long. 5 minute. Short. Renkos. Long. Well, I got the 1 minute. I got the Renkos. 2 out of 3. It's not really considered broken slot machine territory. 3 out of 3 is. That's when you're in A+ territory, but I can still authorize a trade. I'm on MNQ. I'm going to stick with the micros, so much so that I'm even removing my mini chart. And I'm going to go in for a 2-lot here. And I think we're going to run for VWAP. Which means I have a bias. Remember what I told you yesterday about a bias? Oh boy, do those always hurt me. Bias trades never do good for me. How'd you end up there?
Pretty far, huh?
What? Target filled. MNQ. Pretty far. I wouldn't say that. No, how many points? 67, 6 points. And it'll move up.
Oh!
You got filled?
No.
So
one little jump.
close
Come
on
on.
gold. Come on, guys. Buy
Come
gold.
on.
Push it through
Come
for
on.
us.
Come on.
Push it through.
Come
Give me my 4 points.
No! Go fast!
In the meantime, I missed my
You're
exit.
right there.
NQ. We touched VWAP. Nah, I'm in the red. It's okay. I'll add. I still think we're gonna kiss VWAP again. We're gonna retest VWAP one more time. I hope it doesn't make me look stupid. Thank God I'm only giving back $40 on micros rather than $400 on minis. Closed. Yeah. I got distracted somewhere doing something. I missed my opportunity to close. I'm sure you closed it at, what, 10:53? Right here, where we touched VWAP. Now I'm stuck in it. Look what it's killing me. It's killing me. Yeah, good job. Goodbye for me. That's got punished for irresponsible trading. I really should quit. You know what? I'm not trading this account anymore. I'm going to be happy with where I am, and I'll make it back on the volatility, morning volatility. I trade morning volatility really well. Target filled. MNQ. Another gold. Another Counter-Strike trade.
Come on, go. Just go so I can get up.
Oh boy, that was the entry on Counter-Strike. Shit, damn.
You can do it, though. You can do it. You can do it.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. You know what the bad news is? Let me get out of gold and I'll tell you what the bad news is.
About?
Me, I'm angry.
Okay, so close your stuff.
And what's going to happen is I'm going to piss this all away.
So close your stuff. It's not hard. You can close your stuff. It's one, but no, close your
We
stuff.
got gold.
Get up. Okay, so close everything else.
How can I?
You're a man. You're not a child.
How can I close everything but keep gold going?
You close the rest. Close your screens. There's X's. You don't see an X?
Okay, out. Gold's out.
Not for me.
Really? Oh, I got one tick under. I put it one tick under because I had the better entry. Okay, that was a 70-some odd dollar trade. Okay, so I am being told to close. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to close this connection. Disconnect. I have an open position.
$5 off.
See, really, for me, I just close those things. It's not worth it in the end. What are you going to do? Let it go and even stop you out at a loss? No fucking way. Okay, that's a good day. So, what can I do? What can I do? I can close this connection. It tells me I have an open position somewhere. Where's my open position? It is long a 3-lot. Who's long a 3-lot?
Come on, bang.
Well, whatever was long just got out.
Done.
At a profit.
What, there's no fees?
Why? Right click on the account. Edit account. Nope. See, commissions, you have it set at none. I guess you've never used. No, you've used it. Anyways, put it to lifetime.
Yes?
No, yeah. And set it. And when you're closing down?
Yeah, I'm closing down, of course. I'm going to stay here for what? That's why she's rolling with me. Ooh, I'm me a freak, yeah. If you need. Very good day for me.
Yeah, it was a good day also.
Good day to start the new year.
390 target. Okay.
Good day to start the new year.
Really? 390 target? You won't go for the high of the initial balance at that point. 450.
You want this?
I
think you should close up. I don't know what you're doing.
I'm going to look for something else. First, I'm going to make sure I have no orders open.
And I'm going to come back and your number's going to be gone.
No.
Don't touch these things. I'm looking at that number. I memorize both these numbers. 937-2598.
It's good.
Not a dollar more, not a dollar less.
Not a dollar more, not a dollar less.
You need this?
Close out of tab. Ah, shit! Yeah, keep it open. No, close it. I'm going to put it up over here. I just made a big mess. A big effing mess.
In trading or your screen?
No. I just closed all my tabs here. And even if I close down without saving, it won't reopen them.
Let's go see David. I haven't seen him in a while.
It is what it is. We got to open up one. Orders. Executions. Shit. Strategies. Accounts. Okay, we start over. Sorry guys, I have some configuring to do now because I just made a big mess on my screens. Gone. I think I just need netlick, right? Gone. Intradays and the initials and the excesses are gone. Explaining the keep. Apply. Let's see what else I'm left with. 1, 2, 3, 4. Gross, realized, unrealized. Do I need the gross? We'll keep it for now. And how do I change the font? Okay, everything's back up. Orders, executions, positions, strategies. Strategies are closed down. Orders, let's cancel all orders. Cancel all orders. I'm canceling all orders. Executions, positions, make sure flatten everything. Yes. Disconnect. $390, $270. Well, for me right now, we are trading. I'm not going to open that. I could trade there or I could trade here. Let's see. That's what's fun about having a buffet of accounts. Not in the mood to trade Bulenox today, though. I am in the mood to trade MFFU right now. Okay, back in business. And the Apex accounts I'll try and pass tomorrow. Or during the week. I don't know. I didn't even look at my balances. Tabernacle, that stupid Tula cost me, what, 450 points. I let it go against me. Wow, that was bad. That was just bad trading. Bad trading. I was so damn distracted. I don't even know with what. Maybe with the gold trade. Look at the gold dumping after we took profit. Shit! Right at our take profit and then a dump. Okay, what am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? I'm not focused. I need to open up a chart. Market very tricky for me. I didn't really really pay attention to how it is for my system, how it's doing today. Not top stat, not Counter Strike. I don't consider that. The system yet, because it's still in wait and see mode. I'm still just watching it. I'm not even keeping stats on it yet. ES short. I'll take a look at that soon, Jimmy. Give me a second. Can't find my strat. Well, the numbers reset. So it took one trade or two trades maybe so far since I loaded up MFFU. I don't even remember what it was doing. But anyways, you guys aren't following it, so it doesn't matter. And I know today so far hasn't been a good day. It's been hovering around break even. I think it got a little green, a little red. And let me set the fair value gaps. MNQ 30-second. I don't want to watch. Well, we're bouncing off on the 1 minute on MNQ. We're bouncing off We're not bouncing off. We're trading at previous day's close, and the fair value gap is going to form a bearish fair value gap here, new one. So, I don't know. Me personally, that would be something if that got close, that got inverted. I would think about taking it. Here was the manual trade on the counter strike, 2-bar retrace, first continuation bar. That would have been a beautiful trade, but I think I was dilly-dallying at the time. Excuse me. I didn't even go refresh my coffee. Small profit, James G. 5 minute fair value gap failing. Closed. I'm short one micro. Yes. Woo. Yes, I said we would look at it. ES took out the lows. Not the full day lows, but the US session lows. MNQ did not. That's the SMT. I don't even know. I can't remember. Smart Money Concepts, SMC. That would make sense. Okay, I'm going to trade MFFU aggressive because I don't have a lot of room left on this account, so there's no point in wasting my time. No, there is a point. Let's do 4 lots. What's the point? The point is if I can make $300 or $400, then I can swing a heavy bat and try to make $1,000 in this account today. That would be good. I'd be happy with that. Why can I do that in MFFU and not somewhere else? Because MFFU has end of day drawdown. So if you get up ahead $400 and then you lose it, you're not actually penalized by having your drawdown move. I think end of day drawdown is a effing scam. Excuse me. You go up 14 points. And you give back 7, and you get out $7 profit. But you're penalized on your trailing drawdown by 7 points times whatever size you traded. It's crazy. That's a profitable trade any way you cut it. Okay, well. Serious, you're not going to give it to me again? Buy the bid and I didn't get filled? Very not nice. Pretty much getting fed up how often that happens now. Never used to happen with any frequency. They definitely changed something. Shit, on a $300 profit already on that trade. And now, as always, once you have a huge profit and you don't get filled buying the bid, I get stopped out and lose the account. You see, it's a good thing I closed my Apex. Oh, coming close again to a trade. There we oh, so close, so close, so close. Come on, give me hope, give me hope. This gives me hope because Grenco just went short. Market choppy now. Very dangerous. Oh no, don't say that. Grenco took a short trade. I'll get out a small piece at the bid again, which it won't fill me. There we go. Congratulations. You know what? I'll take another piece off and I'll hold 4. Only because Jimmy G says the markets are choppy, so let's go with that for now. I do have previous day's close above me. 15 points above me. I can add at that level. Did I even make any money on those 2 stupid trades? 72 bucks. What time is it? 11. Okay, well, 72 is better than nothing. And now my trade has only a 4 lot, so less exposure. Watching the 1 minute. Damn, I missed again. Damn, everything is so fast. You really gotta have your eyes stuck on the screen. It's too damn easy to miss things. I'm gonna add a 4 lot here. I'm gonna cover. Okay, 313 so far. That's not bad. That's not bad for poor execution again. And I have my favorite manual trade on the Counter-Strike here. New red background. 2-bar retrace, 2-bar or more, and a first continuation bar bear. So I'm going for 12 points on this one. Or if it closes, I'll add, only because the risk is small. Hopefully they'll dump it. And if they don't, I'm out. Come on, dump it, dump it, dump it, dump it, dump it, dump it. Ooh, buyers look a little bit stronger based on the way the candles are forming. They're coming in a little bit more aggressively. But you never know. That's it, out. Didn't work out for me on this one. Next trade. Okay. What do we got? 5-minute FVG failing. True, we were looking at that, eh? What time was that? 11:03 here. This one. This is an impulsive trade based on things I don't normally do. I will allow it if Counter-Strike goes bullish again. Right now it's got a bearish red bar. I added early. And I will get slapped. Rankos are short, Counter-Strike is neutral. 1 minute bar is short, and I'm long. Probabilities state I'm going to lose money on this trade. Unless I get lucky. And I don't get lucky too often. Come on, push up. Close that bar. Close the bar on the Counter-Strike chart. There we go. Now form another one. One more bullish bar. Give me 2 bullish bars. That's all I ask. There we go, so I can get out of my trade. There we go. Didn't lose money on a trade I shouldn't have been in. Impulsive trading. Okay, impulsive trading. That means I'm going to take a quick break, go refresh my coffee, come back with a better state of mind. And I'll be back in 2 minutes.
She made Christmas great again. It was all wrapped in gold and red. What could it be? I scratched my head and I saw the coffee cup. This morning I filled it up. It's a cup. That's more than a cup, it's great. Memories all wrapped up. If it chips or cracks or loses its shine, I'll never dump it, this cup is mine. She made Christmas great again. It was all wrapped in gold and red. What could it be? I scratched my head, then I saw the coffee cup. This morning I filled it up. It's a cup that's more than a cup. It's great memories all wrapped up. If it chips or cracks or loses its shine, I'll never dump it, this cup is mine. Cat, she made Christmas great again.
shut the mic. Shut the cameras, but didn't shut the mic. It's okay. I'm back. I missed the long entry. Okay. Sit down. I'm here. Let me remove the banner. Banner removed. I did miss a long entry at 45. Doesn't matter. I did what I set out to do, which was to get close to my 50K PA account in one day, and I got to 2,600 less commissions. I was trading on NQ. I was trading the minis, not the micros. So even if I traded 20 contracts, I have only about a $50, $60 commission, I guess. I took a few micro trades also, but for 2 lots and 3 lots. So commissions shouldn't be too high. Excuse me for clearing my throat. Oh, long trade. Come on. And now I'm on my MFFU chart account. And I'm supposed to be long at a much better price than what I'm long at. I am poorly executing again. But it's because it moved quickly. I will add to the trade. Counter-Strike is long. It's kind of good. But Counter-Strike is really just breaking even today. So it's not that good. Conditions aren't really ripe for Counter-Strike today. If we get a 2-bar retrace and then a bullish bar, that would be good. That would be my manual entry. Counter-Strike got slaughtered. And I'm hanging on like an idiot. But not like an idiot, because this account is pretty much on its last legs anyway, so I'm so close. There's really no point, especially when we're going to cover right here at the previous day's close. With $40 remaining in maneuverability. I think there's only 400 left on this account for the drawdown, so I will hope we see a reversal here. And if the account gets closed, that'll be it for me for the day. The 2 most important ones were the Apex accounts, which both performed well today. And the lesson learned today, what I can do better tomorrow that I did poorly today, is really fight for price. If you don't get your price, just don't get in. Getting in late increases your risk, decreases your return, makes your trades mathematically incorrect. Why can't I ever get those V-bottom fast bounces off a level? You kidding me? Just close the account there? Really? Better go lower now. Watch it. Just close the account. Probably at the absolute low. Long. I got nothing to go long with. That's not true. I have my I tell you, this MFFU account is cursed. Nothing works out for me on the MFFU account. Well, at least it went lower. I don't feel so bad. Okay, if we get a break on the counter-strike system above the, there we go, above the price channel, I'll try and add to this trade. Let's see what we can do with Bulenox. Hopefully we can have a nice run here. I'll get out of 5, holding the other 5 at 258, and I will get out of these 469 on the first trade. That's good. Let's see what we can do with Bulenox. Actually, Bulenox has that rule that your master account, which is the equivalent of the PA, the sim funded on Apex, that your master account has to trade at the same size or lower of what you did on the evals. So I gotta make sure that I trade a decent size on the evals so that I don't accidentally trade more on the master account when I get funded. So I'm going to do 5 lots. You know what? I'm going to give myself a little room because I like to trade 5 lots. So I'm going to give myself a little room with 6 lots. My entries will be 6 lots. Woodchip, long, James G. Buy, I think. Nope, got roasted. Really? Take care, James. That's what that was. I don't know what. Oh, he's peeking. Okay, I thought that was waving goodbye. How are you peeking? I don't have my cell phone. I can't call you. Nah, the MFFU account was finished already. This one. Both me and Alex have such a hard time getting any traction with the MFFU accounts. It's crazy. It's like they're cursed for us. All we do is get losers on those accounts. $11.26. I'm gonna trade till 12. Let me do a wood chip type entry. 255, 50% of the lower fair value gap. Buying above the previous day's close as we bounced off it again. And I have an entry on my raincoat. I'm going to get aggressive and add. See if then I'm going to take off at about 7 points higher on my ad. Let's see if we can get that. Okay, there's my ad because it's first in, first out. 94 at 87, I'll add to this. If not, we'll just let it run. Let's see if we can push up the VWAP. Eventually 290 should support long again. Down. Come on. You just don't want to give me a winner. Can't catch a runner. Even though there's been quite a few of them. There was a 42-point winner at 11 o'clock to the short side that I didn't catch. I don't know if Bulenox has on their master accounts if they have consistency rules on the profitable side, on the profitability side. I gotta look into that. I'm gonna get triggered in for a long again. 100 points higher. My aunt would say to that, from your mouth to God's ears. Can we do it in 1 minute? 100 points higher? Wow. Still got a 24-point ATR on the 1 minute chart. That is pretty impressive. Well, we're pushing up against a little ceiling here on the 1 minute chart. Hopefully we'll bust through it. That would be my guess. Lowered my price a little bit. I am long at 92, 75. Gotta go to work. Okay, well, have a good day. Happy New Year again, and see you soon. This one's out again, another loser. I'll be quitting soon too. I'm just getting chopped up. $94 is the official entry. I got in at 89. I'm happy with that. Take a piece off. My next piece off will be a little closer to VWAP. How about there? London close. Holiday long. Holding long. London close. Okay. It's out again. Take me out. Take me out. Shitty 380. One minute long, Renko long. 5 minute. That's the 15 minute, and it's in the middle of nowhere. 15 minute. No, that's the 1 minute. 15 minute. 15 minute is still got a long bias. The 5 minute is barely hanging on to a short bias. I got 2 out of 3. That's enough for me to enter a trade if one triggers, which looks like one does want to trigger here. 87. I got 88.50. That sucks. Let's see if I can add a little bit lower. Now let's see if we could run higher. Or you're going to trigger me in for another crappy loss. Markets do look weak here. I can see myself getting stopped out quite quickly on this one. Oh, breathe a little life back in. Look at that. Oh, wow, that was met with a big slap. Okay, holding 6. That was a risky maneuver. But Renko is now long. I will get out 3 at 10 points. 80, I have more than 10 points. I'll get out 3. I'll let the other 3 go. Hopefully it'll run. Hasn't run in the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 setups. Doesn't mean I'm due for a run. I'm not stupid. Let me enjoy my coffee and sit back and watch. Should be up 20 points. I am. Let's try and catch a 40 pointer. And I might add a little bit to this trade if it gets a little bit lower. It's got to go down to 94 about for me to enter, to add to the trade. So 94 I add to the trade, and if it runs, it runs. Good for me. Another 20 some odd points and I'll have a 40 pointer. I want to get one 40 pointer today. One 40 pointer. I want one 40 pointer. It's not too much to ask. Okay, we're closer. We got almost 30 points. Let's go. I want 40 points. 40 points. Give me 40 points. No. Give me 40 points. What's 40 points? That's 20. It's right on VWAP. I am going to put in a stop, a sell limit. 40 points. If I get the 40 points, I quit for the day. Come on, 40 points. 40 points. Come on, give it a push. Give it a push. I stop for the day. That'll be my last trade. 40 points. My last trade. You were so close. 40 points. Give it one more push. I'll have to stop out if it trades around 301, but I want 40 points. That'll be 20 points. If I get stopped out, it's my trailing stop. It's a mental stop. But I want 40 points. Push it back up. Push it back up. You're going the wrong way. You're going the wrong way. You're not going to give me my 40-point trade today, you bastards. I'm going to have to take it out. I have to take it out. There we go. No 40 points. No 40 points. Try again. There will be another entry, but now it's closer to VWAP. There's always another entry. And I really got to code the 2-bar retrace strategy for Counter-Strike. I'm going to do that tonight probably. It's the trades I take manually. Does it look like I'm really thinking hard right now? Anybody hit the like button for me? And the verdict is, I got 3 likes. Wow, lucky me. people watching. A big 3 people watching. You can fill an auditorium with the amount of people that are watching. Ding, 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 ding. I would like to listen to music. How can I do that? Let me see. Put on my headphones and play it on. Are you kidding me? Of course. I guess there's a long entry coming up and it's... Yeah. I should know that better. Yeehaw, yeah. Yeehaw, nothing. Yeehaw, I traded like an idiot. Missed my entry. And took way too large size with my headphone wire. This always gets me into trouble. See, like I said, I'm not in the mood to trade responsibly anymore. Guys, I gotta close it down. Because I am trading like a chazo. Anybody know what a chazo is? I just got lucky there, that's all. A chazo is an idiot in another language. What language? Go look it up. Okay, I got rewarded for being an idiot. I won't complain. Now I gotta untangle my chair. Cowardice. Give me a moment.
She made Christmas great again. It was all wrapped in gold and red. What could it be? I scratched my head and I saw the coffee cup. This morning I filled it up. Cat, the cup.
Okay, that was easier than I thought. Wires got all wrapped around the chair leg. Where are we? Let's take an inventory of where we are. Traded lower, traded higher. Came down, didn't break US session lows, but we did break London session lows on the first dump. Heading higher again. And previous day low and previous day's close is showing to be support. That's on NQ. Same thing on ES, looks like. ES broke initial balance. Then we had a failed auction. We went back up. Now we're trading at VWAP. NQ did not break initial balance. That's the inventory of where we are. Yeehaw. And I got rewarded for doing a stupid trade. Not a stupid trade. It was the right trade. It was a setup that I need to take. It was shitty execution. I was 14 points late. Wow, where the hell is 930 on this chart here? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll tell you soon what I'm counting. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 6, 7, 28, 29. 33, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 41. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Well, higher volatility brings a higher number of entries or setups on my wrinkle charts. And it had 43 trades today. That's a lot of trades. I'm curious if I can make a change in the settings here. Settings, box size, traditional, ATR length. ATR based on what? ATR 6. Okay. 1 minute. Let us see. 306, 315, 9. Let me go down to 5 minute. Remaining drawings. No good. Let me go down to 1 second. 97. Well, 30 seconds. 85, 98. Really? 85, 98. 1 minute. This should be about 20 right now. 06, 16. How is that even possible? 05, 95. 30 seconds is more. 10. Doing a lot of talking to myself, I know. 98. Oh, 09, no, it's about 10. I'll have to watch that one time. Anyways, let's go to traditional. Settings, long again. I'll take a look in a sec. I'm just checking something. Wow, what a difference. What a difference. Oh, what an idiot. Me. Now this is more in line with reality. Serious? Okay, I'm back. What's it? Long again. 290 becoming support, I think. 290, where are we? 290 over there. Why 290 support, though? What do you see that should make 290 support? Remind me, you probably told me already. $5 for value gap, okay. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . aggressive on this trade with ads below, which I shouldn't even have. So let me get out and just leave it. 3 is enough. I can add if I see an opportunity to add. Or let the 3 go. Let's just go look now at the 5-minute fair value gap. 5-minute, no, that was on the 5-minute chart. I can't see what the high is on that one. 290, 268, 290. Okay, I'm not sure if you're talking about the same one from earlier. Gold still ripping. Gold, yeah, 26.72. Not sure if you're talking about the bearish fair value gap, the 50% midline, 290. No, that probably wouldn't be 290, or maybe it would be. I don't know, so many fair value gaps, guys. See, that's why I can't use it. I wouldn't know which ones to use. There's fair value gap here, fair value gap here, here. How do you pick which one? I mean, I'm sure you guys know. My sons know. But for me, it's too much information. I got it too lot. I will add if I get a bullish bar on the counter strike. See how much easier that is than trying to figure out which fair value gap for me to use. 5 minutes, 15 minute, daily, 1 minute. Can you tell I'm not in a good mood? I'll be in a good mood if I can get 12 points on this on a 2-lot. I'm going to get in early and hopefully not get punished. Come on, close to the upside on the counter strike chart, top left. Come on, close up, give me a white bar. Let's go, there we go. 12 points is 45, is about 55. I'm going to take a small piece off because I went bigger. And that's 10 points. I'm happy I took it. Goodbye. I continue holding my 2 from before. And I will take it. Fill me. There we go. 1,080 on a new eval with Bulenox. Bulenox having 91% off on both the trailing drawdown. They call it option 1 and option 2. One has a trailing drawdown, the other one has end of day drawdown. They never have big sales on the end of day drawdown accounts, but they're having 91% off on end of day drawdown. Problem is with Bulenox, they have high activation fees, especially for like the 150K or the 300K. It could be in the $300 area, I think. Don't quote me on that. You have to check yourselves. I certainly could be mistaken, but I think that's what it is. I know my son just signed up for the 50K, and it was, I think, $140 or $150. One, two, three, four, five, six. I missed another 40-pointer. Woe is me. But I did take some money out of that long push. Are we 12 o'clock yet? I mean, except for MFFU, I can't complain on how I did today. MFFU never does good. Never does good for me. Never does good for my boy Alex, my son. Somehow we just keep getting slapped with losses. Serious. Not even joking. What chip? What about an entry inside this bullish fair value gap that's just over VWAP on the 1 minute chart? What a stop under this candle here at the 300. It's a 30-point stop. Shit, they're big with fair value gaps, especially when you have higher volatility on the 1-minute chart. I'll take a 1 lot. We just had a bearish fair value gap, so you know what? I'll take a 2 lot if we can get an inverted bearish fair value gap here. And if not, I'll just watch it. Or I can take a candle that closes above the price channel. It's got to be a close. And I can ignore that VWAP is right there. Soon I'm going to be told by my boys, my twin boys, to get off the charts. At 12 o'clock they always come down and they tell me, James, you doing anything? Oh, you're, okay. Yeah, you're getting ready to go out. No, I'm not going to buy a bar closing above the price channel on the top left chart, because why? Too close to VWAP. Well, using Linda Rashke's turtle soup, she has a short under the low of this candle, a short stop, 96, and it definitely would have triggered over here. So she would be short. So in honor of that, I will sell 1, and we'll see. She says, put your stop over the swing high. Ay, my goodness, that's 45 points. No, I won't do that. I will use my Renko charts for my stop, which will be around 325. Oh, cool. Only 10 points. So that's not bad. The Renkos can keep me in the trade. Game over for me. Yeah, it should be game over for me too. I'm just going to take this one lot Linda Rashke turtle soup trade. There was another entry. Let me just say where. And I find the second one does better. 1, 2, 3. No. Well, no, there wasn't a second entry. This is the first one. I find that when the first entry loses on a run like this is a 20 bar price channel on the 1 minute, I put it up because of that trade. James, I'll call you soon if you're still online. Let me just finish up this trade. I'll add to it if we can get down to. I'll add a 1 lot at 300. That's a shitty place to add. The 300 before was showing to be support. I remember early on in the day. I'm not going to add a 300. What's it called? Accountability partner. I have to run errands for the rest of the day. That sucks. So, according to Linda, she says if you get in on a turtle soup entry, target the other side. So that would be like targeting down here, at least the 234 level. That would be not bad for 10-point risk, which looks like I'm going to get stopped out. Oh, I'm already stopped out on the Renkos. I'll give it another 7 points. That's it. I'll catch a Linda trade. Can anybody guess what I'm doing right now while I'm long? It's going to make another leg lower. I can smell it and feel it. I just wanted to get out at even. You know, if this forces me to, I'll reverse. Lunch beware, yep. Yeah, I'm going to call it quits. I really am. Very soon. First, I got to get my ass handed to me. Getting whipsawed. Okay, and that's when I hold, and that's when it runs. So whip me, whip me, whip me. And then the one that I hold doesn't reverse. This is shitty impulsive trading on a Bulenox eval. Hopefully Rankos will turn bullish. I'll add. It'll get me out at, yeah, add early. Let's risk the account. Let's full port, as they say. Under VWAP. It is what it is. Usually, just before I full port or just after I full port, the markets go horrifically against me. That's usually the MO. Let's see what happens here. Well, it looks like buyers come in a little bit. Let's add the max. That's it. I'm done. Oh, look at that. Now I'm going to let me out of my orders. with the orange. Oh, I don't know what that was. I think someone's texting me and say, close everything and get out of here because you're trading like an idiot. So 1437, trading like an idiot. Anybody want to tap me on the back? But I know when it's time to close. I knew it was time to close when I told my son that I'm starting to feel aggravation. When I feel aggravation, I start to get, what's the word? Self-destructive. And I get the wrong attitude. I don't give a shit. So I'm going. That's it for me. I didn't get punished for my mistakes. And I will come back tomorrow with a fresh mind. Sorry for the shitty trading at the end of the day. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a good day.